Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Maybell. If you haven't subscribe. Big sales, our sales is coming up on the 30th of this month, May. Don't miss out. You don't want to miss out. A trial will convince you, trust me. Amazing feedback from this product, great review. You need to go check reviews on my Instagram. You need to also follow my Instagram page to get a chance to win my vitamin C, which is made with vitamin C derivative, much more stable and effective result from that vitamin C to help boost collagen, help fight against hyperpigmentation, treat sunburn. Trust me, it's amazing. I don't want to go into the benefit of that because it contains loads and loads of great extract and other ingredients in it. And this is my super whitening glowing oil. This is an amazing oil that will help give you that glowing, radiant, smooth, soft texture. Trust me, this super whitening glowing oil, you can use it to activate your cream. I've talked about it on my channel, so it's amazing, rich with many amazing oil. This is like a pro mix. It's a pro mix of various nourishing oil that is purely organic oil. Like this is my half-cast oil, this is my whitening oil, this is my whitening glycerin, and also in it I've got beauty serum. I just don't want to go into details of it. I have my amazing V-Gold, and we know the benefit of V-Gold. This is the kojic one. Also if this is optional, is also the whitening black spot. Is a whitening black spot oil corrector that helps to clear any blemishes, dark spot left behind by acne. This is also good. Lemongrass. So measurement goes a long way. I'm not going to go into details of other products I've added into it. Like I said, you can't learn on YouTube. Trust me, you cannot learn. For those of you that have been asking for my training is coming up in the month of July. Yes, in the month of July. So this promo is the 3 days promo coming up on the 30th of May. You don't want to miss out on this amazing promo. Up to 50% discount. Trust me, 50% discount. This is just the last batch I'm making. I've made over more than 150 batch of this. This is just the last one I'm making because I like to do my stuff in quantities. Quantity goes a long way. You don't just mix any old stuff or because you want to mix. Also inside it, I don't want to leak out the secret because this secret is going to be for my those that are going to be training under me. I'm going to give you the full recipe of this. This glowing oil is amazing. It can also be used on its own at night, on its clean skin. You can also mix it into your organic product that is ingredient like cream or face cream if you want to boost whitening potency in those cream. So it's an amazing product that I also said you can incorporate in Fair and White to boost lightning potency. It will give you up to 3 shades. This is joke apart, trust me. Amazing feedback. I've got up to 50% discount on our Latino White, which is good for stubborn skin that have been exposed to ash bleaching chemical, and it has made the skin resistant to product. Therefore, when you use product, you just notice that it's not working. This Latino White, our Latino White, will help a lot to improve that, help to unify your complexion, help to brighten up your skin tone, help to give you that soft skin tone because it will help to exfoliate, to promote new skin cell. That product is amazing. Great feedback. Anytime I make it is always sold out. And also our Crystal Glow, amazing feedback on that, up to 50% on that. Also up to 50% on all Azamite products, which include the scrub, the jelly lightening face masks, which include the face mask itself. It includes the malato, also includes our face cleanser, face toner, you know what, on and on. I don't want to go into it. Black soap, it includes everything on all Azamite products. You don't want to miss out. Get your hands, get your money ready. 30th of May, you need to start ordering. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. so that you guys can use and also leave your comment and review either on YouTube or also on my Instagram. Go follow me on my Instagram to be among the people that will be selected for the giveaway. The giveaway is only open for those in Europe and UK. Sorry, those in Nigerian, American, and so it's because of the postage. But I made it to be within this sale, so that if I do the selection process and you happen to be among those that bought and you're based in Nigeria or Ivory Coast or any West African country, be it Canada, also if you're based in Canada, you're based in US, you can have that benefit to get your hands on that. You can buy it, and if you are lucky to be among the selected people, I will definitely take your product and that giveaway product and put it in your order and send it off to you. Okay, so thank you so much. You guys have been amazing. Thanks for your support. I love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and bye.